Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best in Schwalbe's lineup, the Pro One Road Race Tubeless Folding Bike Tire. If you're serious about road cycling, this tire promises to deliver a dynamic and smooth riding experience that stands out in the tubeless tire category. The Schwalbe Pro One is engineered with Tubeless Easy technology, often abbreviated as TLE. This innovation ensures the tire is incredibly supple, mimicking the smooth and velvety ride you'd expect from a classic tubular tire, but with all the benefits of a modern tubeless setup. The lightweight design doesn't sacrifice control, making it excellent for fast descents and aggressive cornering on the road. What truly sets this tire apart is its unique rubber compound called Addix Race. This advanced formulation uses high-quality polymers and a significantly increased silica filler, which enhances grip during sharp cornering without affecting rolling resistance or durability. So whether you're racing or training, you get that perfect balance of speed and traction. Durability and protection are key for any road tire, and the Pro One doesn't disappoint. It features a substantial 3-layer sidewall combined with a puncture protection belt called V-Guard. Made from a high-tech polymer fiber similar to materials used in bulletproof vests, this liner is lightweight but offers exceptional defense against cuts and punctures. Importantly, the V-Guard protection does not compromise the tire's suppleness or increase rolling resistance. The tire's build is completed with microskin technology, an integrated fabric layer that improves impermeability and high-pressure stability, ensuring the tire holds up well under demanding conditions. This fabric also contributes to enhanced cut resistance, making the Pro One a reliable companion on longer rides where reliability matters. With an item weight of around 270 grams and available in the popular 700cx28 size, the Schwalbe Pro One suits road bikes perfectly. Its construction absorbs bumps on the road to reduce rider fatigue and maintain traction on uneven surfaces. This is a tire designed for both endurance and performance, where comfort meets speed. Schwalbe backs this product with a solid warranty, 3 years from the original purchase date or 5 years from the production date, whichever comes first, showing their confidence in its quality. Overall, the Schwalbe Pro One tubeless tire is a top-tier choice for road cyclists who want a tire that offers exceptional grip, excellent puncture protection, and the smooth ride feel of a tubular tire but with the convenience of tubeless technology. If you're upgrading your road bike tires, the Pro One deserves a close look. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product insights.